Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. There is an English for grade 4 and we are learning, my dear students, unit number 15 and its title is The Safety of Children. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 7, under the title of listening and speaking, we will cover a question number 7 and page number 121. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, we have already learned how to express an understanding for story through pantomime. Okay, I hope you remember it. If you were not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcome is demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to practice and use appropriate tone, non-verbal cues of different communicative functions. So yes, my dear students, today we are going to cover up this and so interesting our SLO is. So are you ready? Good. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Mujadila, verse number 7, there is in no private conversation 3, but that he is the fourth of them, nor are 3, 5, but that he is the sixth of them, and no less than that, and no more except that he is with them in knowledge, wherever they are. Subhanallah, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that, can you judge that? This beautiful verse is telling us that even wherever we are, even we are 3 peoples, listen there, 3, but he is the fourth. Who is the fourth one with us? If we are 3 people and we are discussing who is the, yes, definitely Allah Almighty is with us on every step, with every breath. Clear? And if there are 5, so who is the 6th one? Allah Almighty, my dear students, and he is with us with his vast knowledge, and he knows everything, what we are thinking, what we are doing. He is always with us. So be careful, even you are alone, even you are with anyone. So be careful, my dear students, because Allah Almighty is watching us every minute and every moment. Okay, is it clear? So see there, pre-reading questions are there for you. What is pantomime? Already you have learned in 3 class. What is a pantomime? Good job, excellent. So see next. What do you know about non-verbal cues? Yes, my dear students, what do you know about non-verbal cues? Good. Let's see what is a pantomime. The act of showing or explaining something through movements of the body and face instead of by talking is called pantomime. Yes, my dear students. So what is pantomime? When we talk about a thing, but how we talk? Our facial expression, our face shows that how we are talking, in which mood we are, without using our tongue, without speaking the word. Okay, our body movement, our hands movement tell us such type of talking is called pantomime. Okay, see there, what is non-verbal communications? Non-verbal communication is the transmission of message or signals through a non-verbal platform such as, okay, is a message or a signal. Okay, is a message or a signal without speaking, without moving your lips, without saying anything. Suppose eye contact, facial expression, gestures, postures, and body language. Yes, so my dear students, have you learned that already? You are facing every day, so few things, few actions are there that don't need words. We get that through our eye contact, how our eye contact is there, our facial expressions, even our hands movement. Okay, so suppose I am giving a hint, I am giving signal without speaking. So which is this action? What do you get? Yes, it means come. So if I, without speaking, if I may give signal. Yes. So it is like it is best. So these such type of your body movements, your hands movement, and your facial expression. So sometime our face shows that in which mood you are. So when we are smiling, so see there, so it means smile. Okay, it is clear. So such type of your body movement is called non-verbal communication. When you don't use words, okay, without saying anything, you clear your meaning, that what do you want. See, few examples are there for you. Yes, wow, good. So which is this symbol? When you have done something good. So this is thumbs up. Next, what happened? It's so sad. It means, what do you got? Okay, what do you get, my dear students? Yes, it means thumbs down. I'm not feeling good. Next, there is another thing for you. Yes, which posture? That body language, facial expression. What do you get? He's happy. Okay, he's so happy. He's not saying anything, but how we got that he is happy? Yes, due to his facial expression. See there. Oh, what happened? She is angry. Why she is angry? And how we got? Look, oh, due to anger. What happened? So angry. This is called non-verbal communication. Next is their wow, they are jumping with joy. They are so happy. They are jumping. Their body movement is telling us that they are so happy. Have you got? There is another thing. Oh. So sometime you are asking from your teacher, may I come in? So she is not using means words. Sometimes she say. So it means, yes, come in. So if she say, sometimes we are also denying. So with this signal, when we move our head in this way and in this way, this is yes, this is no. See there. Oh. No. Is it clear? This is the way, my dear students, that without using words, when we give our facial expressions, so without using words, so this is when we are praising something. It means without saying, I am saying, oh, best. Without using anything, I am saying that this is like best. Have you got that? Such type of body language I am speaking. So my mood is a bit. Facial expressions also shows that what are you saying, okay, and in which tone and what is your mood, can say also. So suppose this is, so can you get that? If someone is giving signal, these are called signal. Yes, what do you get that? Which signal is that? Yes, make a phone call. Have you got that? Good job. So sometime, oh, our eyes also. It means I'm saying that don't do that. Come to me, go away. Is it clear? So let's perform an activity now. Yes, my dear teachers, what you have to do? This activity is clearly mentioned in your book. In question number 7, what you have to do? There are different steps that you have to follow. One step is step number 1, cut several strips of paper. On each strip of paper, write down a mood or a feeling like guilty, happy, suspicious, irritated, bored, or annoyed. And number 3, what you will do at the next third step, fold strips of paper and put them into a bowl. They will be used as a prompts. Each student take a prompt from the bowl and have to express the mood they have selected. And the next step, after each student has read their sentence, the other students should guess the reader's emotion. And the last step, the students who guesses in less time will be the winner. Yes, now you have to show your moods. Okay, perform this activity, you will show your moods just, and other student will try to guess which mood is there as I have taught you and cleared you. Okay, so perform this activity in your class and enjoy. Welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed. Now you are relaxed and feeling so happy because now you have showed your moods. Good job. So what's your homework for today? Practice one statement in different ways using different body language. You is practice, okay? This is for your homework. You will practice all these non-verbal communication with your parents, with your family members, okay? And we will discuss in class. Teacher, you will inquire that how much they have discussed, okay? So this is your homework. You will in different situation. You will use non-verbal communication at home. So this is our worksheet, my dear teacher. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students, and students should get that which non-verbal cues are there and look which mood is being shown by this woman. Wrap up. Today we learned about non-verbal cues. We learned about different facial expressions, gestures, postures, and body language to convey a message. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO. Demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to practice and use appropriate tone and non-verbal cues of the different communicative functions. So yes, my dear students, we have done it. And this was a so interesting lecture, okay? I have also enjoyed. I hope you have also enjoyed today's lecture, and also you are feeling fresh after performing such type of moods without showing words, okay? So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.